So welcome po sa ating financial literacy class. Focus po of our webinar for today would be about stock market investment. Let me provide you some information po about who IMG is. Okay? So IMG po is one of the best business platforms and one of the fastest growing organizations in the financial industry. So ang IMG po is a financial services marketing company. Okay? And it's also a financial educator. And through financial education, we help people who want to help themselves in building their financial foundation. And we also establish agreements with many of the world's leading financial services companies who offer a broad array of financial products and services since 2002. So, ayan po, ito po yung mga partner companies po ng IMG na whereas from healthcare to life insurance to investment, real estate, general insurance, and allied services ay meron na po ang IMG. So, if you've noticed po, these companies are top performing po dito po sa ating bansa. So, kumbaga meron na po tayo from womb to tomb na products. So, ito po ay one-stop shop na para sa inyo. So, if you want to start your investment, then we are tied up or partnered with different investment companies for you to start your investment. So, hindi po kayo kay IMG mag-i-invest, kundi sa mga partner companies natin. Okay, so what we do here in IMG, so we help every family achieve financial freedom. So we are teaching people on how you're going to build your solid financial foundation. So as you can see here, diba, we have to prioritize getting healthcare, life protection, and then debt management. Dapat na ma-manage natin ating mga utang, and then we have to build our emergency fund, and then last na pala ang investment. And of course, hindi naman ganun kadali na ma-build agad-agad tong ganitong klase ng solid financial foundation. Because maybe some of us, we are only prepared or kaya lang talaga nating simulan sa ngayon ay ang pagbibuild ng investment. Right? Pero dahil nga ang tinuturo namin is to build a solid financial foundation, ngayon kung wala pa tayong ganung kakayahan, IMG also provide the opportunity for you to increase your cash flow. So from there, you can prioritize na getting your healthcare and life insurance, whereas it will protect yourself, your family, and of course, your investment. Kasi di ba kadalasan, kapag halimbawang puro lang tayo investment and without proper protection for ourselves, darating ang time, baka ibenta natin lahat ng pinaghirapan nating ipundar noon dahil sa isang sakit or dahil nawala ang breadwinner sa family. Right? And of course, may iwasan na natin yung magkabaon-baon tayo sa utang or mamamanage or may iwasan na nating mangutang. Kasi meron na tayong protection. Dahil kadalasan naman, di ba, kapag tayo ay nababaon sa utang dahil sa biglaang pagkakasakit ng breadwinner or serious illness ng family member, or worst, magkaroon ng accident or mawala yung inaasahan natin na magpo-provide ng pangangailangan natin sa ating family. Okay? And of course, para yan kasing anay na kung tayo laging maraming utang, hindi natin naiiwasan na kahit meron naman tayo sa utang natin pinipili na makapag-produce ng ating pangangailangan, then ang ani na yan, ang sisira sa ating financial foundation, eventually, maaari ring mabuwag. Okay? And for us to be able to protect our investment against put and take, then we should learn how to build our emergency fund. Kasi napakarami nating emergencies, pero wala tayong fund. So, para hindi natin iniisip na, Coach, pwede ko bang i-withdraw anytime ang ating investment? Definitely, yes. Pero ang tanong, gusto mo bang magkaroon ng magandang investment return? For sure, ang isasagot mo ay big yes. Kasi 'di ba, kung halimbawa na meron tayong emergency fund, then definitely hindi mo magagalaw ang investment mo. You can have a long-term asset accumulation. ibig sabihin, gagawin mong long-term yan, mas malaki ang magiging return sa atin. At yan ang i-explain ko sa inyo sa mga susunod nating pag-uusapan. Okay? So here are the partner companies na whereas you can start your investment. If you are looking for investment na meron ng healthcare and life insurance, then you can definitely get Kaiser. Okay, this is a long-term healthcare. And then if you want insurance with investment, then we have Manila Bankers Life. But if you want pure investment, then you can definitely get or open your investment account here in our partner companies. Okay? So, our main topic would be about investment. So, alam niyo po ba ang ibig sabihin ng Rule of 72? So, malamang kilala niyo po si Albert Einstein. Si Albert Einstein po, siya po yung nag-create po ng formula na to na whereas you will know when is your money going to be doubled. Ito daw po ang dapat nating gamiting formula. 72 divided by annual interest rate is equals to number of years to double your money. So from here, you can also identify if the investment na ino-offer sa inyo is a possible scam. How? So you can ask that person who invited you or offering you an investment, how much is the interest rate of that? Now, if they can't provide you how much is the interest rate, then kabahan na po tayo kasi that might be a possible scam. Kasi there is no investment na hindi kayang sabihin at least the projected interest rate. So, it's really important na dapat alam or pwede pong ma-provide sa atin yung possible na interest rate sa isang investment na ino-offer sa atin. Okay? So let me show you an example. Let's say you saw an investment which has 4% interest rate. So if you are going to use the rule of 72, so 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18. So money doubles every 18 years. So if you are 29 today and you invested 100,000, it means at age of 47, you will have an investment return of 200,000. Now, another 18 years, ay mo pang kunin. Ang nangyari, 65 ka na, then you will be getting 400,000 investment return. And that grows kung halimbawa ikaw nakakita ka pa ng mas malaking interest rate, then definitely, mas malaki na ang investment return na makukuha mo. Like here, at 8% na interest rate, then you will be getting 1.6 million at age of 65 when you started investing at age 29. Then of course, if it is 12%, you will be getting here 6.4 million. Okay, so that would be the total investment return if you are going to start your investment at age of 29, then ang makikita mong interest rate, at least the projected interest, would be 12%. Diba? So if you've noticed, the difference between 4 and 8% interest rate would be 4 times. Pero diba kung titingnan mo, ang laki. 1.2 million ang difference, but look at here, at interest rate of 12%. Grabe. Sobrang butal na lang ng 6 million dun sa interest rate or investment return na makukuha nyo at 4%. Diba? So, it's really important na alam natin yung magkano ang investment return or projected interest rate. Kasi millions is the cost of our financial ignorance. If we are just relying dun sa ay, eto lang yung kilala ko. Pero baka naman, ikaw lang yung hindi ang nakakakilala dyan. Pero, halos buong mundo na is alam ang ganitong klase ng investment, pero hindi mo sinusubukan dahil dun ka lamang sa nakasanayan mo or dun sa nakilala mo lang ng matagal ng panahon. Okay? Kasi maaring eto matagalin pero hindi mo lang din pinapansin or binibigyan ng atensyon para matutunan. So, it's really important na dapat financially educated tayo para alam natin kung saan ba mas mag-grow ang ating pera. So sabi nga dito, ano ba yung mga reasons why we are going to invest our money? So here, if you are not investing your hard-earned money, can mean a longer working life for you. So imagine yourself like this person na ayaw mo nang magtrabaho kasi nga tanda-tanda na, di ba? Parang nagsasawa ka na, araw-araw yun na lang gagawin mo. Then gusto mo nang mag-retire, pero hindi mo pa kaya. Sabi nga nila, ang retirement po, hindi po yan nakabase sa edad. It's not your age who's going to dictate your money. Alin po ang magdedictate sa atin? It's our money itself who's going to dictate kung kailan tayo magre-retire. Kaya nga, di ba, napakarami sa ating mga senior na ang talagang kailangan pa rin mag-work kasi nga, maaaring hindi sila makakuha ng support from their children or talagang hindi kaya sila ng suportahan. So, minsan pa nga, sila pa ang nagpo-provide ng pangangailangan ng kanilang mga anak kahit may asawa na. Diba? So, it's really hard na if we are not going to invest as early as we can, then darating ang time, we can have a longer working life. And for sure, ayaw naman natin na magtrabaho tayo kahit tayo'y matanda na. Right? So, another reason why we have to invest is dahil money is the best employee. Bakit? Kasi money has no excuses. It can work 24/7, right? Doesn't get tired, doesn't get sick, doesn't get pregnant, and don't even go to vacation or leave. So talagang kahit po tayo mismo ay nagpapahinga or natutulog, ang pera, nagtatrabaho yan para sa atin. And how is it going to happen? Then we have to create a passive income now. So in the future, ganyan po talaga yung mangyari. So we have to invest to get passive income later. Okay? So another reason is that, dati, ang 1,000 pesos mo, eto yung kayang bilhin. Correct? Pero ngayon, ang 1,000 pesos, eto na lang ang kayang bilhin. So one of the reasons why we have to invest is to definitely beat inflation. Yung mabilis na pagtaas ng bilihin, hindi po na masasabayan basta-basta nung kinikita natin. Eh di ba nga mas mabilis pa ang pagtaas ng mga bilihin kaysa sa bilis ng pagtaas ng ating kita. Di ba? Kaya nga we have to look for other source of income kasi we need or we have to beat inflation, and inflation is hindi po natin maiiwasan yan. Talagang mangyayari po yan dahil sa paggalaw ng ekonomiya po sa ating bansa. Okay? So, where are you going to invest nga ba? So, ang pag-i-invest po natin ay depende yan sa ating investment goal. So, meron tayong mga investment na pang short term lang, long term. So, kung halimbawa you're thinking of a short term investment lang, then here are the investment vehicles where you can place or bring or invest your money, like in bond fund, money market, bank savings, or time deposit. But if you would like to go long term, like 5 years and above, then definitely the best investment for you is direct stock investing or mutual fund. So mutual fund is indirect stock investing. So when do you need your money? So it depends on your goal. So if 1 year, then go for short term. 10 years, then go for long term. So it is really important that you also know your investment goal. Like, is it for healthcare, retirement, for college education ng anak, for house and lot, brand new car, or for an grande vacation? So it depends po. Kung halimbawa, okay, ang napili mo ay for college education ng anak mo, then you have to think, for how many years ba bago mag-college ang ating anak? 10 years? So it means na you have to invest for 10 years consistently. Okay? So dapat walang putol yun. Just imagine na pinag-iipunan mo na talaga ang education ng anak mo, then dapat hindi mo ginagalaw. Tama? So dapat gawin mong tuloy-tuloy. So if for college education ng anak mo, how much do you need? So if you know how much you need for college education ng anak, then definitely alam mo na rin kung magkano ang gagawin mong investment monthly, quarterly. So it depends on your goal. So it's really important that before you start investing, you should know what is your investment purpose or investment goal. Okay? So let's study about some terms na common po sa stock investment. So ang stocks po is the smallest unit of ownership being traded in the stock market. So kapag po tayo ay bumibili ng share or stock sa stock market, yun na po yun yung binibili natin para magkaroon tayo ng pag-aari. Okay? Small portion of ownership sa isang kumpanya or sa isang corporation. Now, once ikaw ay may pag-aari na ng stocks or share, ang tawag na sa'yo ay stockholder or shareholder. Okay? So you are entitled to profit from the company's operations. So another thing about stock market is that it is a place po. It's not a physical place, okay? It is an online platform na whereas dun po tayo bumibili at nagbebenta ng share or stocks. So ito po ay ginagawa lamang sa PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange, whereas ito lamang po ang siyang nagmo-monitor po sa trading po dito sa ating bansa. Okay? So there are two ways po to invest in stock market. We have direct investing or stocks investing and indirect investing, which is also known as mutual fund. So let's learn first about direct investing. So in stocks investing or direct stock investing, you are the driver here. It means na ikaw mismo ang magde-decide sa ang platform or company gusto mong mag-open ng inyong direct stock investing. So, di ba kapag ikaw driver ka, ano bang gusto mong i-drive? Di ba? So, depende yon kung ano ba yung kaya mo nang or pwede ka nang makapag-umpisa na mag-drive. And you need technical analysis. Ibig sabihin, dahil nga direct, that it means that you are the one who's going to analyze the market. You are the one who's going to make the research. Okay? So yung market trends, dapat pinag-aaralan mo rin. So it's just like driving your own car na dapat alam mo kung ano nga ba yung mga parts or kung paano nga ba yung pagdadrive, ano bang gamit nung brake, ano bang gamit nung manibela. So same as well with direct stock investing. So you have to do it on your own. Okay? And of course, if you are going for direct stock investing, you need time. Kasi if you don't have time, then ano pong mangyayari sa ating investment? Baka naman nag-invest ka, tapos napabayaan mo, tapos nakita mo, it's time for you to buy more kasi mas bagsak ang market. Pero you don't have time to analyze, to review, to study the market, then ang taas po ng risk nun. Kasi nga, you're not giving time or enough time for you to be able to understand direct stock investment more for your investment to grow. Okay? So, may dalawang klase ng investors sa direct stock market. We have stock investors and stock traders. Now, whereas, ang stock investor po, they practice the buy and hold strategy. Ibig sabihin po niyan, bibili ka ngayon ng stocks or shares, pero hindi mo agad yan ibebenta. Okay? I-hold mo muna yan kasi depende yan sa goal mo. So, ang mga stock investor, yan yung may mga long-term goals. Kasi halimbawa, for college education or for retirement, then definitely, kung ilang taon yung nilaan mo para pag-ipunan yun, then saka mo lang siya ibebenta. After mong malaman kung hanggang saan ka ba dapat lang mag-invest. Like 10 years, 15 years, then saka mo ibebenta yung shares na nabili mo. Okay? Ang stock traders naman, kabaliktaran siya ng stock investor. So sila, nagpo-profit sila dahil sila yung mga nag-aabang kung kailan ba nila pwede nang ibenta yung kabibili lang nila ng share. So, very active po sila sa trading. So, pwede nilang ibenta yan from few seconds to couple of weeks. So, talagang short term po lamang. Okay? And that is very risky. So, where do you want to invest po? So, marami sa atin na maaaring gusto nyo mag-invest kay Jollibee, kay Ayala, kay BDO. So, mga kilalang company yan, tama? So, kung halimbawa na ikaw ay magda-direct stock, then eto po yung mga pwede nyong companies na pwedeng bilhan ng share. Now, there are about, as of this year, there are about more than 300 plus na companies na listed po sa Philippine stock market. Okay? Let's say, for example, may napili ka na and gusto mo nang malaman, so paano nga ba kumita sa stock market investment? So, ganito po yan. Let's say, napili mo si Jollibee. And nalaman mo na ito pala yung market trends ni Jollibee. No? Whereas from 1997, 27 pesos lang yan per share. And then, tumataas ng tumataas as year goes by. And if you've noticed, noong 2019, more than 300 plus na siya per share. Pero because of quarantine, noong 2020, ang value po ng share niya is naglaro lamang from 95 to 120 per share during the quarantine period. Pero after quarantine, naglaro siya from 150 to 200 pesos per share. So imagine, maraming nagtatanong, bakit nyo kami mas ini-invite na mag-invest during these times, during this difficult and uncertainties na talagang bagsak ang ekonomiya ng bansa. So why is it a good opportunity for you to invest while the market is down or while the economy is down? Ito po ang sagot dyan. Kasi for example, you invested 100,000 in Jollibee back in 1997. So imaginein mo na lang na nag-invest ka during quarantine period na 95 pesos lang per share. So ang logic po is that the more na mababa ang share, definitely the higher the number of shares na mabibili mo. So para lang yan sa pagbili sa palengke na kung mababa ang presyo, bagsak ang presyo, then definitely mas marami kang mabibili at more income ang ibig sabihin nun. So from this example, 100,000, i-divide mo sa presyo ng share noong 1997. So that's 100 divided by 27 pesos. So meron kang total of number of shares na 3,703. Okay? Now, anong mangyayari? Let's say, gusto mong ibenta after 20 years. So, noong 2017, you decided to sell your shares. So, you have 3,703 shares back then. Magkano na ang value ng share ng 2017? That's 250 pesos. So, if you're going to multiply the number of shares to current value or price ng shares, then you will be getting more than 900,000. So the computation on how you're going to earn in stock market is just like this. Ilan ang nabili mong share times magkano ang current value nung time na ibebenta mo na siya. Okay? So in this example, you'll be getting more than 800,000 as total earning if i-deduct ang 100,000 na ininvest mo way back 1997. Okay? Now, we will be studying about indirect investing or mutual funds. So, ang mutual fund po, it's also the same on how you're going to earn, okay? Just like indirect stock. The only difference is that there is a fund manager who is going to take care of our investment. Kasi 'di ba, kaya nga tinawag na indirect, meron ng fund manager na siya na pong bahala sa share na mabibili po natin. So you will be investing in a mutual fund company and then the fund manager will invest it in stocks or bonds and then whatever the successful investment, yun po ang ibabalik. Depende kung magkano ang share na nabili mo. Same computation sa pinakita ko kanina sa direct stock investing. Now, there are 4 types ng mutual fund investment. We have bond funds, whereas this is a moderate to conservative po na investment. Ito yung mga ini-invest po sa yung mga pinapautang sa government or sa private sectors. Okay? So, yan po ang time frame na recommended para magkaroon ng investment return is 1 to 3 years. Okay? And for balanced fund naman, this is from moderate to aggressive. So, medyo aggressive na siya kasi meron na siyang mix ng stocks na investing, meron din sa bonds, and sa money market. So, ang goal po talaga nito is to medium to long-term capital growth. Kaya, ang time frame na recommended dito is at least 3 to 5 years. Okay? So, of course, yung stock or equity funds, ito yung sila na yung magda-direct. So, ang fund manager, magkakaroon siya ng direct investing sa stock market. So, this one is aggressive, same as well with direct stock investing. Pero, mas lesser yung risk niya kasi nga, mas professional na ang nagmamanage ng ating fund. So, ang time frame dito is of course 5 years and above. And of course, for money market funds, this is an example of a short-term investment. Short-term, yung bond fund saka money market, na kung ikaw conservative ka, medyo may fear ka pa na mag-invest ng malaki and or depende sa investment goal mo, kung pang short term lang talaga, like pambili ng mamahaling gadget, pambili ng car, then you're planning to buy it in less than a year or 2 or less than 5 years, then you can put it in a money market fund. So, eto po, kahit less than a year, there is possible investment return of about 2 to 8% depending po sa performance, of course, ng fund na mapipili mo. Okay? So, what are the benefits if you are going to invest in mutual fund investment? So, unang-una, this is affordable. So, this is, whereas you can start your investment for as low as 1,000 pesos, then kung gusto mong mag-top up or mag-add ng inyong investment, then the smallest amount is 500 pesos. So, pwede mong gawin yung monthly, weekly, quarterly, yearly, depends po sa inyo kasi wala namang due date or maturity date ang mutual fund. So talagang kung kailan mo gusto, pwede or depende sa goal mo kung kailan ka tuwing kailan ka mag-i-invest. And of course, it is diversified. So eto po, ang mutual fund, ini-invest nila yan sa iba't ibang companies para ma-reduce ang risk at ma-maximize yung earnings. So, ito po yung example, ang Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Ito po ay isang investment company na whereas they are investing in top 10 companies. Para sa ganun, kung halimbawa na sobrang bagsak ng, for example, ng mining or ng real estate, so naghahanap sila sa ibang industry na kung saan pwedeng mag-boom even during the pandemic time. So, yan po, ini-invest po nila yan. So, imagine, yung 1,000 pesos mo, 10 kumpanya na ang mararating if you're going to start your investment with mutual fund. Okay? And of course, it is very convenient kasi all we have to do is to just invest regularly and no need for the investors na panoorin yung performance sa market. You can, of course, monitor but not time to time na whereas if you are going to check kung ano ba yung nagpe-perform, sa direct stock mo po kailangan yun. That's why you need time dun sa direct stock investing. And it is professionally managed. Just like what I've mentioned, the fund managers are experts already on how they're going to manage our fund and paano nga ba nila palalaguin yung ating ini-invest. And sa mga gustong malaman if pwede bang ma-withdraw yan anytime, yes, you can withdraw that in a very short period of time. Whereas, once na mag-provide ka na ng redemption notice mo, then within 5 to 7 business days, then you can redeem na your investment. It is safe to invest in mutual fund kasi it is also highly regulated by SEC. So, sila po ang nagmo-monitor to avoid possible fraud or anything po na suspicious when it comes to investing in mutual fund. And the gains are tax exempt. Kasi po sa direct stock, all the gains are taxable. But here, it is not taxable. Okay? So let's say you're going to invest in a mutual fund. For example, PhilEquity. Ang PhilEquity po ng 1997, 1.10 peso lang po siya per share. Pero noong 2017, naging 40 pesos na siya per share. So, if you're going to invest 100,000 way back in 1997, so ipag binenta mo na ng 2017, then you will be getting total gain of 3.6 million. So, we have strategy po on how we are going to at least grow our money through stock market investment. And that is what we call the money cost averaging. Pero of course, this is not guarantee po a profit or to prevent loss in declining market. Kasi 'di ba, ang ating stock market performance po ay nagfa-fluctuate yan. Hindi po pare-pareho. So nakadepende yan sa, of course, sa galaw po ng performance ng ating ekonomiya and sa maraming bagay pa po. So this strategy po is to systematically purchase shares of a securities product to offset investment risk in fluctuating market. So maaaring kapag titingnan nyo tong chart na to, here, you are going to invest in first month, 100,000 lang siya. I mean, 100 pesos lang siya per share. Pero, hindi na siya tumaas. Bumaba ng bumaba and tumaas man, nangalahati lamang siya dun sa original number or price ng share nung binili mo siya sa stock market. Pero of course, kung halimbawa na nakita mong ganito na pababa ng pababa, you don't have to time or I mean hindi mo siya kailangan timingan, but you need time for you to be able to build your wealth. So I'm not referring to time na dapat mag-boost ka ng time, but time, what we are referring to time is kapag kakaya mo nang mag-invest, then you have to do it as early as now. Huwag yun na pong i-delay kasi sayang yung time na dapat po kumikita na yung ating pera. Kasi marami sa atin, nagdadalawang isip pa, gusto pang aralin, pero 'di ba, there are so much things na maaari mo pang malaman kapag ikaw ay actual na ginagawa yun. Just like kapag employee tayo, during our trainings, it's really hard for us to understand everything. But once we started our job, then saka natin natututunan lahat, tama? So it's just also like investing in stock market. You would only understand everything once you yourself is already doing it. Okay? So here is the example of how money cost averaging works. Okay? So for example, you decided, okay? The investor A decided to invest 1,000 for monthly contribution sa kanyang investment. Now, ito po yung nakuha niyang share until 6th month. So, may isang tao naman, si investor B, na ayaw po niyang mag-invest kasi nga, he noticed na pababa ng pababa ang value ng share as month goes by. So, sabi niya, on the first month, okay, meron siyang 100 pesos per share. So, meron siyang 10 number of shares. Pero sabi niya, paano ba yan? Naging 50 pesos na lang, paano pa ako bibili? Eh di ba nga, for you to determine kung ano na ba ang value ng share mo, you have to multiply your current value of share times sa number of shares na nabili mo. Okay? So 50 times 10, ibig sabihin, ang value na ng share niya is 500 pesos. So kinabahan na siya ngayon si investor B. Kasi ang iniisip niya, naku, nalugi pa yung ininvest kong 1,000, naging 500 na yan. Naku, scam yan. Di ba? Yan agad ang iniisip ng karamihan. Pero, hindi siya nakinig sa mentor. Kasi po, di ba nga kanina pinaliwanag ko, the lower the number or the value of share, the higher the number of shares na mabibili mo. So, you just have to think of it about na etong pagbaba ng value ng share is magandang opportunity for you to buy more. So, ngayon, hindi nakinig si investor B. Nanatili siya na hindi bumibili at inaantay niya na tumaas muna para patunayan na talagang hindi to scam. So inantay lang niya, nako, hihintayin ko pang tumaas muna yan bago ako bumili. Pero si investor A, he understands well kung paano nga ba mag-work or dadami ang kanyang shares at kung paano ba magiging successful ang kanyang investment. So what he did, he just continue to invest. So, nung second month, kahit bagsak na, bumili siya, nag-invest siya, meron siyang nabili na number of shares na 20. And then, nung third month, kahit sobrang baba na 25 pesos na lang, bumili pa rin siya. Meron na siyang 40 number of shares. And so on and so forth. Now, on the 6th month, he decided na kailangan niya nang ibenta yung kanyang shares. Ngayon, on the 6th month, how much is the total number of shares? 180 na siya. Eh magkano ang value ng share nun? 50. So, look at this po. 180 shares times 50, ibig sabihin, may 9,000 na siya na total value after 6 months. Pero si Investor B, anong ginawa? He never continued to invest. So what happened to his 1,000 pesos? 500 pa rin. Kasi nga, he just trying to avoid na mag-invest dahil ang iniisip niya, bagsak ang market, bakit ako mag-i-invest? At ang iniisip niya, hindi naman daw lumalago yung pera niya. Kasi 50 pesos, 50 pesos yun, tapos naging 10 ang number of shares niya. So 500 pesos lang. So hindi na siya nagdagdag, natakot na siya na baka mawala na ng tuluyan yung kanyang ininvest. So hindi po dapat ganun ang ating mindset. The more na bumababa ang share, huwag tayong malungkot kung bumababa yung value ng pera natin. Kailangan mapalaki mo ang number of shares mo. Then kapag dumating ang time na kailangan mo na talaga siyang ibenta at nakita mo na kumita ng yung pera, then definitely you will be getting a gain kaysa po dun sa nag-antay lang ng nag-antay na lumago ng lumago or lumaki ng lumaki ang kanyang value ng share, then hindi po mangyayari yun kasi nga hindi mo dinadagdagan. Hindi mo ginagawang consistent ang inyong investment. We have to stick to our goal. So kung ang goal mo, after 6 months pa, after 1 year, after 10 years mo pang gagalawin or ibebenta yung investment, then do it. You have to follow that. Kasi, dun mo makikita talaga pag long term na mas maganda yung magiging investment return sa'yo. Okay? Now, who are the stock market investors? So, GSIS po at SSS, nung bago pa man po magkaroon ng market shutdown, nag-invest po yan ng combined of 385 million direct stock. Now, who invested in indirect stock investing? SSS. So, ang SSS po, it has total of 10 billion na ininvest po sa mutual fund investment. So, nakakatuwa po na 3 of our partner companies, dun po nag-invest po ang mutual fund. Ang SSS. Okay? So, if our government sectors trust this kind of investment, then it means that this is a legit investment and we are sure na it is safe to invest in this kind of investment. Okay? So in choosing the investment that's suitable for you, you have to decide, do you want to be the driver or the passenger? So always remember, if you are a new driver or investor, di ba takot naman tayo mag-drive kapag nag-aaral pa lang tayo or natututo pa lang tayo kasi baka tayo bumangga. So if you want to have a long-term investment and you're a new investor, then try ka muna na maging passenger muna, okay? So, much better for a beginner is to start your indirect stock investing or mutual fund. Kasi, kahit natutulog ka, nag-grow ang ating pera. But if you think you can start now with direct stock investing, why not? Diba? So, you can actually start it anytime you want. So, all you have to do is to just start saving, then start investing. So, you have to keep at least 20 pesos a day. So, kung kaya na, di ba, after 30 years, you could have 2 million. So, what's more kung mas malaki ang i-invest mo? So, ibig sabihin, the higher the return na makukuha mo. So, if you've noticed here po, kapag ginawa mong long term, mas malaki yung magiging investment return natin. Pero kung mas mababa lamang yung ating goal para kunin yung ating investment, let's say 5 years and below, then definitely, hindi po rin ganun kalaki yung magiging return sa atin sa ating investment. Okay? So, sabi nga dito, the big money is not in buying or selling, but in the waiting. So, how you're going to start your direct investing? Non-appearance, we can actually send the account opening forms through any courier or email. So, here are the requirements you have to submit to our partner company na si Abacus Securities Corporation, which is the broker for direct stock investing. So, the starting amount po for direct investing is 10,000. Okay? Now, how you're going to start your indirect investing or mutual fund? So, here are the partner companies na pwede niyo po kayong mag-direct. Of course, if you will be going there directly, so kayo na po yung maghahanap ng agent na mag-assist sa inyo. Now, if you want to have easy way for you to start your mutual fund investment, then here in IMG, we can help you on how you're going to start your investment. Now, Why do you have to join IMG instead of going directly to those companies na na-mention ko kanina? So one of the advantages po of joining IMG is that you can get zero load po whenever you are adding an investment. Okay? Ibig sabihin po niyan, every time na mag-i-invest ka, wala pong ikakaltas dun sa inyong investment. Kasi, meron tayong tinatawag na meron tayong tinatawag na load or entry fee whenever we are adding investment po sa ating account. So, may charges. But here, if you're an IMG member, then wala na pong charges yan forever. Okay? So, what are the requirements? To just be an IMG member for you to avail the zero load, then provide these requirements. Okay? Now, if you want really an easier way and faster way to start your investment, just simply be an IMG member, then automatically, you will be getting free 1,000 initial Solvivo fund. It means that you are going to be an automatic investor na sa mutual fund. So all you have to do, if you can't provide the requirements I mentioned here earlier, like TIN number, wala kang government IDs, then all you have to do is just be an IMG member, fill out the online application form, then you can pay it to Palawan Express, to banks or online bank transfer, GCash, PayPal, Paymaya. So we have different payment options na you can process po your payment, okay? Then you will be getting an IMG portal whereas you can monitor your investment. So here is the example po of the members portal. Na whereas you can actually see your account, your statement of account for your Soldivo fund. So Soldivo po is one of the partner investment company po of IMG. So from here, you can monitor your investment. You will be seeing your free 1,000 na initial investment sa mutual fund. Okay? And of course, there are two kinds na pwede nyo pagpilian sa IMG Soldivo Fund. You can go for Strategic Growth Fund, which is the long-term investment sa stock market. And IMG Soldivo Bond Fund, ito po yung pang short term na yung pinapautang sa government or private sectors. Okay? So, ito po yung Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund na makukuha nyo automatically once you become an IMG member. So, ang Soldivo Fund po, ang kanyang current na value is 0.70s. So, ito po is just last month, as of July. Diba, for less than 1 peso, your 1,000 pesos, you could have like more than 1,000 number of shares. And the good thing is that, ito po yung mga companies na pinag-i-investan po ni Soldivo. SM, Ayala, BPI, BDO, Jollibee, MPI, and PLDT. So these companies are all top performing. So we will be assured na talagang safe po or maganda talaga yung pagdadalhan ng ating investment. Okay? So ngayon, ano po ba yung mga benefits once you join IMG or once you start your investment through IMG? So aside sa automatic investor ka na, you will be getting the top 48 amazing benefits. So eto, magkakaroon ka ng free e-books or free workbooks, and you can attend our free financial workshops. Now, whereas from outside, you have to pay like 3,000 to 5,000 or even more. But here you can get or you can attend these workshops for free. And you can even get certificates for each topic na maa-attendan mo. Of course, you can get exclusive financial check-up once you become a member. If, di ba nga, kapag sa doktor, may sakit-sakit tayo sa katawan, we need a medical doctor. But here, if may sakit tayo sa bulsa, lapit lang kayo sa coaches ng IMG, then we can definitely gamutin yung sakit-sakit natin sa bulsa naman. Okay? And if you want to have another career with IMG, then you can be a certified associate financial planner in partnership with RFP. And the examination for that, you only have to pay 1,500 instead of paying the regular price of 5,000 pesos. Okay? So another benefit is that you will be getting free personal accident insurance up to 300,000 and another life insurance. So this is you have to pay for 500 pesos. It's not mandatory. So if you want to have extra life insurance for any cause of death, so for just pay a one-time membership of 500 pesos, then meron ka na po nito. Okay? And another thing is that free IMG and Kaiser frames and free computerized eye exam. So this is available po to Kaiser Medical Center and De Los Reyes Optical Clinic. Another benefits are free medical unlimited consultation for members sa Kaiser Medical Center. So here are the branches of medical center and there are 10 more na i-open po this year. Okay? So meron na rin tayo yan sa provinces. And exclusive discount din po para sa mga immediate family ng members and even for members itself, you will be getting discount po sa medical services po sa Kaiser Medical Center. And another thing, ating minention ko kanina, automatic mutual fund investor ka na, whereas you will be getting 1,000 na initial capital for your mutual fund investment. And for if you want to have or to get Kaiser products, healthcare products, then meron ka na pong access sa ating partner company na Kaiser. And if you want to get life insurance products, so meron tayong partnership with Manila Bankers Life for you to get an exclusive product po na magaganda pong klase ng insurance product, then you can get it from our partner companies na Manila Bankers Life. So yung kaninang minention ko rin na zero entry fee or zero load sa mga partner companies natin. So you have to take advantage of that kasi pure investment na yung ilalagay mo at wala na talagang charges. You want to have a direct stock investment, then once na meron ka ng direct stock account, then you will be getting free investment guidance, analysis, and updates from MyTrade. And in partnership with Palawan Express, pwede mo nang i-process, lalo na sa mga nasa provinces na walang bank na mahulugan or no other way for you to pay your membership fee or your products na gustong kunin, then definitely you can process your payment sa Palawan Express. So isa po yan sa partner ng IMG. At eto pa po, then kung meron kang sasakyan, pwede kang kumuha ng non-life insurance at discounted price. So, meron ding discount sa travel, fire, and personal accident insurance, bond, and marine cargo. So, there are about 6 companies na partner po ng IMG for our non-life insurance products. Okay? And for real estate, you will also get discount and even for memorial lots and interment packages. So, here are the real estate companies na partner natin. And for memorial lots, we have Haven of Infinity. And of course, we will be getting discount sa ating online special courses like ito pong sa if you want to build networks or if you want to know about virtual marketing or online marketing. So you can learn more from these coaches via online. Okay? And we have free memorial concierge service in partnership with Everest Memorial Services. So, eto po, 24/7. If halimbawa may namatayan po sa atin, sa family natin, pwede pong ma-avail ang ganitong service na whereas pwede pong sila na ang bahala na maghanap kung ano po ba yung memorial service na pwede pong ninyong na pwede po kayong kumuha na in a very affordable price, okay? And it is very convenient din kasi nga sila na po yung tutulong para ma-arrange po ang memorial service po. Okay? Hindi nyo na kailangang maghanap pa, lalo na kung hindi nyo na talaga maasikaso. So, sila na po ang bahala. So, this is a family assistance po for you to be able na ma-avail, of course, nating mismo member and ng ating immediate family or malalapit na kamag-anak. So, at another benefit po is asset preservation service. Pwede po tayo magpatulong sa partner nating IMAX para malaman kung paano po i-protect yung legacy natin at ma-preserve po yung ating asset. And if you are planning to buy new car in the future, then you can get a hassle-free and huge discounts through IMG Auto Program. And you will be getting this another exclusive benefit now, whereas you can be part of financial industry, you can become a financial educator or own your business here in IMG. So you can do it on your own time, have your own online system, and of course, achieve the income you want in the future. And of course, become debt free. Okay? So here are the rewards once you become a financial educator of IMG. You have the chance to travel the world, and you can get this world-class recognitions and even free healthcare. So the more na marami po tayong na-educate na tao, the more chance of getting a blessings po from IMG or from above, whereas you can get this for free. Okay? So hindi naman tayo empleyados ng IMG, but we have the chance to get free healthcare. Of course, kailangan lang natin ma-meet yung easy requirement for us to be able to get this free kind of benefit po. Okay? And we will also be having a members portal. Now you can access anytime you want. So, dyan yung mamamonitor lahat ng about IMG, your benefits, about your business. So, everything, andyan na po sa portal. And you can also have a Dominate Tool, digital marketing platform. Now, whereas you can create your own website. So, kung hindi tayo marunong, matututo talaga tayo dito. And may mga ready-made website na rin for us. So, talagang napakaganda po nito na whereas, if you're aware kung magkano ba ang pagpapagawa ng website, napakamahal po. But here, you can get it for free. So, another is free newsletters and emails. And if you're going to do the business opportunities, and if you want to be financial educator, then you can get your commissions, your incentives, your rewards through NuraCash. And if you are living abroad or currently working abroad, then you can get an exclusive benefits kapag ikaw ay international member. So you will be receiving an exclusive IMG Visa card that you can use for IMG transactions worldwide. And you can even have exclusive events, okay? And you can have exclusive runs and contests, like if you want to have free vacation in US, tapos nasa US ka, then definitely you can get this exclusive run. And you can have this exclusive benefit na whereas it's like worldwide protection na po talaga, like accidental death benefit, burial benefit, accidental and medical reimbursement benefit, unprovoked murder and assault benefit, and acts of terrorism. So imagine, it's as actually huge amount para magkaroon po tayo ng protection. Para kung sakaling may mangyari sa atin, yung ating beneficiaries, may matatanggap po ng ganito pong klase ng benefit. Okay? And, of course, we also have here accidental disablement benefit and additional feature of repatriation service. So in partnership with Everest Memorial Services, then the beneficiary or the family of the member may use the cash benefits na na-mention po dito for you to be able to settle the repatriation expenses. Okay? So those are the 48 amazing benefits once you become member of IMG. So the membership fee with all those benefits, you only have to pay one time for 5,500. Now, the membership fee for international members po ay different. So, depende po yan kung saang country ka po naka-locate. Okay? Now, there is what we call the renewal of accreditation. So, ang benefit, ang membership po, lifetime yan. So, ibig sabihin, 10 years kang nawala, hindi nagparamdam, member ka pa rin ng IMG kasi nga, this is a lifetime membership. Now, the benefits is not lifetime po, of course. So, if you want to continue to avail those 48 amazing benefits, then you have to pay for 1,500 para sa accreditation or renewal of accreditation. Okay? Para talagang tuloy-tuloy mong magamit yung mga benefits na na-mention ko kanina. Now, ang question madalas dito, paano kung hindi ako nakapag-renew ng mga 10 years, 20 years? Paano na yung dapat na nag-renew ako during that days? So, syempre po, hindi nyo naman nababayaran yon. So, kung kailan ka lang nag-renew, let's say this year, nag-renew ka for 2021, then for 2021, covered ka ng mga benefits na yon. So, kung kailan ka nag-renew ng accreditation mo, then doon ka po makaka-continue mong ma-avail yung lahat ng benefits na na-mention ko kanina. Okay? So, there are still benefits na you can still get, but it's limited na po talaga. So, here are some frequently asked questions. So, is it safe po ba to invest? So, ito po yung sagot. Of course, it is safe to invest kasi the PSE and the SEC have put in place several safeguards po para ma-promote yung transparency, yung pagkaka-fair po and organized po ng trading po sa stock market para ma-protect din po ang mga investor from possible fraud and manipulative trading practices. So, it is safe naman po to invest here. And can I tell the fund manager what to say, to buy or sell? No po, kasi it's the fund manager who will decide po where to invest. So, they are following po investment parameters na naka-indicate po sa fund's prospectus po ng investment company. Another question, will my investment lapse or expire if I cannot invest monthly? Hindi po naglalapse ang inyo pong investment. Hindi po nawawala yan na kung halimbawa ilang taon kang hindi nag-invest, mawawala na. Hindi po yan. Okay? As like what I've mentioned earlier, you can invest monthly, quarterly, annually. Depende po sa inyong goal yan. Depende po kung tuwing kailan po ninyo kayang mag-invest. So, andun lang po lamang ang inyong investment. Hindi po yun nawawala. Another thing po na I would like to share with you is for you to be able to decide po when to start, lagi po nating tandaan na time is money. So, the sooner you save, the better for your future. So, di ba kanina pinakita ko yung rule of 72 na kung ikaw mag-i-start ka ng halimbawa ay late na, kung kailan wala na tayong income na tuloy-tuloy, di ba? So, sayang naman yung oras na pinalagpas mo para nag-grow na yung ating pera. Okay? And don't procrastinate po. Always remember, procrastination is the enemy of saving. So when people are young, they delay saving because they think they have a lot of time. Pero, etong mga to, nung dumating ng time na nasabi nila pagka saka na yan, pag nasa 30s na or 40s, pero diba 30s to 40s, ito yung mga edad na talagang marami tayong responsibilities kasi ito na yung may sarili na tayong family, may mga anak na. So, we have to start as early as we can and kung kaya na po natin, gawin na po natin. Huwag na tayong mag-procrastinate na saka na lang, aaralin pa. As like what I've mentioned, pagka ito na, sinimulan nyo na, then definitely you can learn everything kasi ginagawa mo na. Okay? So, I hope you've learned po about stock market investment.